guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a magic circle. Then I'm also going to show you guys how to double crochet into that magic circle. This can be used to start a hat, or if you're doing a circular blanket, quite a few stuff. So here we go. So you're going to first the end of your yarn, and you're going to these two fingers, which is your index and your thumb, just like that. Circle around your finger, and you're going to yarn, put your hook, you're going to put your yarn, and you're going to go through. Going to tag on the end, bring it down. With this stitch that you just made, you're going to create another chain. Then you're going to yarn over underneath. You're going to go under the entire circle, pull through, and you're going to pull through two, pull through one, yarn over, pull through, finish with one. If you're going to make a hat, this is the beginning of a hat, you can chain up to 12 in your circle. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is what it's going to be looking like. You can pull on the loose end to tighten your circle. Into the top of the two chains that you did at the beginning of your project, you're going to create a slip knot, and then you go create each one. So this is what your magic circle should be looking like to start your hat. Hope you guys learned something today, and I'll see you again in our other series.